Sir, please come again, sir.
Come on.
Sorry, please come again. Sorry, good evening. Sorry, please come again. What really happened here?
No, not there, but my mom stays in Adi.
Okay.
With my sister and my son.
Okay.
So they are badly injured. The house is demolished on them.
Demolished on them.
Yes,
Fuck.
they're stitching their legs, their hands.
They are still in the hospital now.
Yes,
Which hospital are they now?
Redeemer Hospital.
Redeemer Hospital. Beside the small, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, fuck. Alright, God will see them through. Oh. But what actually happened to your house?
And it was practically coming down.
Please see the face of his daughter. See every